Hey, what's up YouTube, Wild Flight here. So here I'm here out on the field, and I finally ordered and received my little GoPro mount so I can take some videos. I've been flying FPV for about 2 weeks. I'd probably say about close to 2 hours of in-air flight time and a whole bunch of crashes and replaced parts. So let's see how my progress has been so far. Just gonna shoot a quick video of me just zooming around this little field, maybe going through the goalpost a few times. What's up? Back from the field, and the reason why I didn't get that much flight footage is, if any of you guys could tell, the frame got bent. The way it got bent is I was going through the goalpost. I hit I passed one of the openings, and then it had a direct contact with a pole, and the frame bent to the side. I still think it's salvageable, and I'll try to fix it. But if not, I'll be getting a new frame. And anyways, I rewatched the video I shot on my GoPro, and definitely some things I could improve on. The most important I've noticed with the throttle control. If you guys could notice, when I was flying, I kept raising and dropping the drone a lot instead of just keeping a steady throttle and steady level. So that's something I'll be working on, and a few other things I could definitely work on, but that's what practice is for. Anyways, back on the bench, back on fixing this bad boy, and hopefully it'll be out and flying and practicing a lot more. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe.